and already, as you can see, it looks a lot fresher. Doesn't look so oily. Hello, my darling bees. How are you today? As you know, I'm not going to be doing videos every day just because it's not feasible right now with my kids. I've got to try and film when they're at school or things like that. My son's actually making sure my daughter doesn't ruin this one, because I tried to do one yesterday and she was in here within 3 seconds. So the Supreme I had filmed, I didn't get to post because I didn't get half of the footage where I actually nearly ate the whole pizza. She was in here talking and I didn't press record. So here we go. This one will be a lot easier because it's got thin crust. The other one was cheesy crust, stuffed crust. It's even hot and fresh, which I tell you what, I can see why all the restaurants closed down. They just can't even compete with Domino's. The freshness is unlike. It's just beautiful. Wow, I'm sweating because I had to turn the aircon off. Whew. Sorry for my chewing, it's very hot. I'm finding I can eat a whole pizza, which, as you can see in Australia, they're very small. That's $18 worth of pizza. So you compare that to your American size pizzas, and 3 of these would make 1 of your slices. So it's a lot of money for a whole lot less of food. And compare that to the Costco pizza, it's like 3 of these. So you get a lot more value for money at Costco without a doubt. But I can't drive that far by myself. Wow. There's more sauce. Definitely a lot more topping and a lot fresher. Even though I bought this yesterday and I put it in the oven today, still tastes fresher than when I got Pizza Hut fresh. It came cold. When I got this yesterday, it was hot. And yeah, and the Super Supreme that I got, wow, I wish I hadn't deleted the footage, because I could have shown you a screenshot of how fresh it looks. I've actually saved some of the crust so I can put it in the oven at a later time and try and eat it. But I've got to be careful with how much dairy I have, because it certainly acts up with my stomach. You hear that crunch? Wow, it's hot. It's still 30 degrees Celsius outside. So you know by now it's my favourite sound in the world. I put mukbangs on at night and that's what I fall asleep to. Crunching sounds. Oh, and And I bought a stable table, you guys. So now I can put a cover on it and actually put food straight on it. Or I can use it like this, and it's a lot easier than using my makeup case. No, puss, you're not eating my pizza. The cat that thinks she's a dog. Guess what, my darling bees? Today, I ate the first full sandwich, as in ham, cheese and tomato, slightly toasted sandwich, in well over 12 months. And I ate it all, a whole sandwich. So 2 slices of bread. That was so good. I couldn't believe it. I was so proud of myself. It was full and I kind of pushed myself, but I did it. I did it. And my husband and I are working really well together with co-parenting. The only obstacles, child safety, which are making life impossible. They said I could go home and that there would be a carer to come in on Monday every day for 2 hours to help me get to appointments, and nobody showed up. So, yeah. I'm going to have to cut this short, you guys, because my daughter's already being impatient. I do apologise, I don't have a great amount of time at the moment to edit, so I'm just putting the start and the end and pretty much leaving it in the middle as it goes, because I just don't have the time. The editing app I have, it literally takes me a whole day to edit a 6-minute video, because the app just doesn't compute with iOS, so Apple phones, it just keeps crashing, and you have to start from right on the start, watch it all to where you're up to, and then edit from then on, and it'll crash, and then you've got to do it all again, and it does it about 20 times. It is ridiculous. So I'm going to have to find a better app. Considering I had lunch, I'm starting to get pretty full. Crunch. Stupid handshakes. If you notice, I've got new wedding bands. It's because my other ones became too big, and yeah, because I lost weight, so I can fit in the clothes of my 5-year-old boy. So I've got size 10 kids clothes, which is his size, that I can fit into. Well, I'm forcing it today. Sorry guys. I'm missing 2 teeth on this side and I've got a sore tooth on this side. It's a little bit hard to eat. Last bite. I mean, rating this in comparison to Pizza Hut, there's just no comparison. When you get Pizza Hut and the next day it's just so oily and it gives you such bad reflux. Then you get this, that even the next day looks fresh and it's just that beautiful warm crispiness. And kudos to Domino's because they've got it. No wonder they're doing so well. There you go guys, nearly a half a whole pizza. And if you know, considering when I started this journey, I was able to have 2 tablespoons of food and that's it. So, without further ado, be kind, look after one another, be kind to one another. I think I've already said look after one another, I'm not sure. And as always, take care of your health, you guys. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for revisiting my channel. I'm sorry it's going to be sporadic. Oh, see? You know what that means. She's... Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a break, so I've got to finish off quick. So, until next time, have a wonderful time, and I'll see you soon. Love you, bye.